Today we're taking a closer look at FunctionFox, a time tracking and project management tool designed specifically for creative professionals. FunctionFox aims to help freelancers and small teams manage projects, track time, and stay organized, all in one platform. The site is user-friendly, with a clear layout that makes it easy to navigate right from the homepage. You'll notice that FunctionFox is tailored to creative teams working in fields like marketing, design, and media production. Once you log into the platform, you're greeted by the dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your current projects, along with important stats like time logged and task progress. The project management features let you create detailed project timelines, assign tasks to team members, and track deadlines. This makes it a great choice for teams that need to stay on top of multiple projects without getting overwhelmed. Time tracking is one of FunctionFox's standout features. You can log time spent on each task directly from the project view, making it easy to keep everything in check. The time reports are customizable, so you can generate reports based on various filters like client, project, or team member. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple clients or need to track how much time is being spent on specific aspects of a project. FunctionFox also integrates with other popular tools like QuickBooks and Basecamp, making it easy to sync your data with your existing workflow. The platform supports both hourly and flat fee billing, so whether you bill clients by the hour or by project, FunctionFox has you covered. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. While FunctionFox is definitely a powerful tool for creative teams, there are a few downsides to consider. The interface, while functional, can feel a bit outdated, and the learning curve might be steep for new users who are not familiar with time tracking or project management software. Additionally, while it has many features, it's not as flexible as some all-in-one project management tools, which might be a drawback for larger teams or those with more complex needs. Overall, FunctionFox is a great tool for freelancers or small creative teams looking for a simple, reliable way to manage projects and track time. It's an excellent choice for businesses that need project management and time tracking combined, without the complexity of more general project management tools. If you're considering whether FunctionFox is right for you, I hope this review has been helpful. Don't forget to check the description for more useful links. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this.